few of the new annuals and perennials we're carrying this year at the greenhouse, and a few of them have been around for a year or two but are just unusual yet. I'd like to show you. One of them is Artemisia silver. It's in the silver mound family, but just gets larger, more in the 2x2 range. Great for an accent, just like a lot of white plants are. Another white one that's new this year is Senecio angel wings. Oddly enough, this is related to succulent Senecios, but look at the fuzzy white silver leaves on that. Another great accent to show other colors off. Speaking of whites, we've got Diamond Snow, which is an improvement over Diamond Frost. More compact, more floriferous as the summer goes. Hopefully a little less brittle. Sometimes in production we might have some of them snap a little easier. And a perennial that's bright white is Snow Station Iberis, or Candy Tuft. Very bright white, true colors there. We've also got some dahlias. That last year was Year of the Dahlia, and we still carried that over this year. Labella Magyar Rose Bicolor. We use that as a compact upright one for planters. Salvias are also very popular. This one is called Rock and Fuchsia. Very bright, gets about 2x2. And then a few other salvia that we just want to show here. Marvel series salvias is a nice new series with larger blooms, and you can see these here. This one happens to be Rose Marvel, and this one is Sky Blue Marvel. But beautiful cottage look, very hardy, and can do very well in the landscape. And then great plants for summer heat and bright areas. Popstar Biddens, bright yellow, larger bloom than normal, kind of airy foliage. Petunias and Pachoas, which is a cross between Petunia and Calibrachoas. One called Cinnamon, and a Super Bells variety called Over Easy. Looks like a little bit of an egg color there. That's where it gets its name. A few of the other items that I'd like to highlight at the garden center this year are some woodies that we carry. I'm always a lover of pine and different evergreens, and a couple of them are Japanese white pine. Fukuzumi is one of them. It's more of a spreader that gets upright, so you're probably looking at about 15 wide by 6 tall in almost a chair shape, but very, very unusual around decks and patios. Miyajima is more of an upright but a slow grower that gets about 15 by 8 foot. And Troutman is a newer juniper that rivals the Taylor juniper, only a little more natural. Gets about 15 to 20 by about 4 or 5 foot wide. And then a few of the Japanese maple, Korean maple crosses that hold a lot of promise in areas that maybe struggled with Japanese maple a little bit are 3 new introductions from the Jack Frost series: Northwinds, Ice Dragon, and Arctic Jade. Those 3 are from a nursery in Oregon, and the cross has proven to take 30-some below zero winters. One of them is a weeper, one has a little bit more of a palmate leaf, and the other one is a little more dissected. But beautiful fall colors, kind of bronze color in the spring as well. So nice trees that get in that 15 to 20 foot range. So these are some of the items that we're carrying at the garden center this year. Feel free to stop in and we'll help you where we can.